everyone, welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, hi, my name is Nini. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I just want to share with you how I get my first quota offer from Hermes so fast. What I think are important in order to get your first quota offer. So here's all the few things that I did in order to get my first quota offers. So I get my first Kelly offer 2 months into my purchase journey with Hermes. So the first thing that I feel are super important when you start your Hermes journey is meeting up with the right essay. So let's say if I walk in for the first time and the person who I see is the manager, to be honest, when he came over and he say, I will be helping you today, I already don't like him. There is a vibe that he give off to me that make me feel like this person is not gonna work. I am not gonna feel comfortable enough to spend tons and tons of money on him. So that's why my first response to him when he say, what are you looking for today? I told him I want Kelly and Birkin. That's the first thing I tell him when he came over. I want Kelly and Birkin. So I think luxury shopping in general, you should feel welcoming. You should feel good. The essay should be willing to show you around, should be willing to show you that he or she, treasure your time, your money. I think that for some people who walk into the store doesn't have a good experience with the essay and still dropping a couple of grand on that essay, I feel that is unacceptable to me. So if I want to spend, thousands of dollars, I want to spend it with a person I like. So let's say if my first time walking into the store and my essay happened to be the manager who stepped up and helped me for the first time, I'm just buy a lipstick and go home. The second thing is, let's talk about what should you buy in order to get your offer. So I have read from so many, blog about people who have experience of the items that they buy before they get their offers. I think that's buying from all different categories is really help. But to be honest, show your essay what you really like. So if you buy the things you like, it doesn't matter if it's only handbag, you should be able to get your offer. Because before getting my offers, I have been buying so many handbags from my essay. I bought Picatin, I bought her bag, I bought Garden Party, what else? So mostly I bought Garden Party 36, Garden Party 30. I even returned something before too. So I also think that just show them that you really like something, that you are willing to spend your money on those things. And I am very straightforward with my essay. I told him I am not into ready to wear. So So I am a handbag girl. I love handbag, and Hermes is a new brand to me, so I just want to try out all of the handbag that I could get my hands on. And of course, I have a very long list of handbag that I want, but in the beginning, I was only buying handbag from him. And later on, I was like into fashion jewelries. So I bought a couple pieces of fashion jewelries from him, and also I bought a watch. And all of those items that I bought, all the items that I want, I didn't buy something just because I want to get offer a handbag. I think it will be so stressful if you buy all of those things because you want to be offered a handbag. I think it's gonna mess up with my mind so much if that happened to me. So if you want your handbag, then please only buy something that you like. Maybe you like that pair of shoes, go and buy that pair of shoes. So don't think that you buy that pair of shoes so then you could get an offer. Or maybe dropping $1,000 on a t-shirt. No, I am not gonna do that. I am happy with a $22 t-shirt from Amazon, so I am not gonna spend $1,000 on a t-shirt just because I want to get offered a handbag. But if that shirt or that dress, if I really like that one, then I will go for it, because you should be enjoy all the items that you get. It doesn't matter from what category they are from, as long as you enjoy that item, as long as you show your essay that you really like that item, that you buy that item because you want it. I think that's leave a really good impression with your essay. So a lot of people have been saying if you show them that you truly appreciate their brands, then the chance you are getting handbag is higher. So I get that it's worked in my case. I only buy items that I like. I only buy items that I enjoy. And it's just so funny for me because every single time I come in to see my Hermes SA, I only wear items that I bought from him. Yeah. I think that's make him happy in a way, that I show him that I appreciate every single item that he sells to me. So that's why I think the most important things, again, is only buying the item that you are like, that you enjoy. So that's why you don't feel like you waste your money on. And if you do not like anything from Hermes, but you only like Kelly or Birkin, then I'll say just save enough money to buy it from a reseller. I know the price could be a little bit higher, but then it will save you all the remorse. And if you just shop around for the item that you don't like in order to get a Kelly or a Birkin, then you're gonna spend way more money than you have to if you are spending it with a reseller, to be honest. So one of the reasons I think why I got an offer so early, so fast, is because I am asking for a bigger size of the Kelly. I think Kelly 25 and Kelly 28 is harder to get because there are so many people waiting for that size and combo. So I asked my essay a few days before getting my offers. I was like, so if I want a Kelly 32, will it be easier to get? And my essay is really honest with me. He was like, yeah, size 32 will be easier to get. And I asked him, okay, if that's the case, then can you put me down for a Kelly 32 in black and gold hardware, or gold and gold hardware? So whichever comes first, I want it. Because at that point, I really, really want a Kelly in my collection. And I do not have a problem with the Kelly in the bigger size at all. If it's size 35, no, I don't want it. But size 32, I think it's not that big. I think size 32 is gonna look good on me because I have been seeing so many other videos and pictures of people with size 32. So I think size 32 is an acceptable size for me. So that's why I asked for size 32. And 3 days later, he had that back for me. So to sum it up, in the end, I have 3 key points to share with you guys. The first thing that I think is very important in order for me to get my offer is I was able to meet up with the right essay. So at any time in your journey, and if you feel like the essay doesn't work out for you, please change your essay right away. And normally you should feel it since the beginning. You cannot just feel something in middle of nowhere. So from the beginning you already feel like this MS essay doesn't work for you, then change to a different one right away before you have spent a ton of money with that same essay. So the second thing that I think are very important in order for you to get your handbag is not because you spending money on a tons of houseware items or spending money on ready-to-wear items, fine jewelry items, just in order to get your Kelly or Birkin offer. I think the most important things to show your essay is that you care for the item you are purchasing. For me, I told my essay from the beginning, I only like handbag. And of course, I am gonna buy things here and there, but I am very straightforward with him that I am not into ready-to-wear or houseware item. So I bought tons and tons of handbag with him. There are people who say that all the leather good items are not count towards your, Kelly or Birkin purchase, and I think it may not be true at all. So just if you show your essay that you're purchasing that item because you want it, because you care for it, because you need it, not because you purchasing the item just for the sake of getting a Kelly or Birkin, then the chance that you are getting your Kelly Birkin is very high. And the third thing I think that is very important in my case to get my offer so quick, because I ask for the bigger size. I am asking for a Kelly 32. I guess if I ask for a Kelly 32 or a Birkin 35, then I will get my offer really soon. And it's proved to be true, because I got my first offer 3 days after I asked for it. So that's it for the video today. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that this video is gonna help you in getting your dream bag soon. If you have any question, just give me a comment down below. I am always reading comments and replies to all the comments. Thank you so much for watching again, and please consider to like and subscribe to my channel if you think that's my video are helpful. Thank you so much, and I will see you guys again in my next video. Bye bye.